All right, Miss Angela Doheny, how are we doing?
Feeling good at 60, you know.
This is your first day of 60.
Yeah.
We are up here in Lake Arrowhead right now for my mother's 60th birthday. I know, does not look like she's 60, but I promise you she is. So yeah, we're up in Arrowhead, and today I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to up your photography game. What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt Doheny, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming to check it out. And if you're a subscriber, thanks for coming back. It means the world to me. I've been a photographer since I was 14 years old. That is almost 17 years now, and it's crazy. I've shot so many different genres, but today I want to give you 5 tips on how to up your photography game. And tip number 1 is be obsessed or be ordinary. If you're not obsessed with something, you're not giving it your all. You need to be researching, reading, watching other videos, shooting all the time. You know what I mean? Just be obsessed with photography. And when you're obsessed with something, it's gonna up your game no matter what, just because it's gonna be around you all the time. So that's tip number 1, is be obsessed or be ordinary. Tip number 2 is have a camera in your hand every single day. It doesn't matter what you like to shoot or what you want to be shooting. If you have a camera in your hand every single day, you're going to start training your eye to see certain things, certain sort of architecture, certain sort of light, how the environment's shaping the light, you know? So if you have a camera in your hand every single day, just like anything you want to do in life, practice, practice, practice. And if you have a camera in your hand every single day, you're bound to learn, strengthen your eye, and pick up some skills along the way. Alright, now tip number 3 is collaborate. Collaborate, collaborate, collaborate. Hit up everyone in your DM. You know, even if you're not getting paid for photography shoots, the more you shoot, the more it looks like you've been working. You know what I mean? So just get out there, connect with people, and collaborate with them. And the great thing about collaboration is when you do that, you give your audience a chance to check out that person, and that person's audience to check out you. It's great cross-pollination for traffic. So collaborate with people, reach out to them in the DM, hit them up on emails, text them, do whatever you gotta do, and find some people to collaborate with. Alright, now tip number 4 would be to find your aesthetic. Find images that you're drawn to. Something I like to do is that save tab on Instagram. I go through the feed, find a bunch of photos I like, and I just find something that draws me to it, you know. One image I'll like the lighting, another image I'll like the pose, another image I'll like the colors, another image I'll just like the vibe, you know. So find your aesthetic. Just go through Instagram or on Pinterest, whatever you like to do, and just find a bunch of images that you're drawn to. And after a while, you'll start to notice a theme, you know, like, ooh, maybe I just like these early morning golden hour shots, or maybe I like these really faded vintage looking things, you know. After a while of you collecting a bunch of inspiration, you're gonna start to see a theme. So tip number 4 is find your aesthetic. Alright, and tip number 5 is to have a goal. Now if your goal with photography is just to have fun and up your skills a little bit, that's great. And if your goal with photography is to quit that 9 to 5 and do this full time, that's amazing too. Just have a goal in mind, you know? A goal without a plan is just a wish. Let me say that again. A goal without a plan is just a wish. That is, when I heard that, that was so impactful on me, and it made so much sense. So I want you guys to take that too. Make a plan and kick some ass. Okay, I'm gonna give you one extra one for free. Number 6, have fun. Because if you ain't having fun, why are you doing this? You know what I mean? Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. Those were my 5-6 tips on how to up your photography game. I want you to get out there and try them and let me know what you think. If that helped you at all, leave me a comment, send me a message, whatever. If you like this video, of course, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be posting videos weekly on photography tutorials, my insights, or if you guys have something you want to see me make, shoot me a message. I'd love to hear about it and make it for you. So until next time, catch you later.